What happens in winter or on rainy days without wind? Where will the electricity come from then? There are three options to ensure the continuous supply of electricity with 100% renewables, which should be combined with each other so that it does become not too expensive. First, from the generation side, modification of the generation systems. If a solar power system is installed at a steeper angle, it produces less electricity during summer, but more in winter. Wind turbines can be designed in such a way that they still produce power when the wind is low, but less during a storm. Second, storage. Use of electrical, mechanical, chemical, but also thermal storage, because heat and cold can be stored very well. There are also excellent locations for pumped hydro storage close by, such as in Austria, Switzerland and Norway. Lithium batteries cost only a tenth of what they costed 10 years ago. A similar price reduction is expected for electrolysis for power to gas. Third, on the demand side. Demand side management via dynamic electricity prices. Often the prosumer has the possibility to shift his consumption. For example, switching on his washing machine, charging his e-car or his e-bike. If the price is right, he will do so. Thank you very much.